Hey guys, Glen Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing awesome. Today we are talking about Vertex, and this is going to be the Vertex demo review discount coupon, OTOs, and best bonuses. I'm still working on the bonuses, so I'm not going to show you the bonus page today because I just actually I saw this come out and I thought I had requested to be an affiliate for it, and I hadn't, so I had to wait until I got approved. So I'm just throwing together the bonuses together. But don't worry, there'll be great bonuses. I'm just going to probably throw in everything in the kitchen sink that I've been adding for bonuses for the last month or so. So anything you missed, or you didn't pick up a product, then you probably get the bonus on it. So what is Vertex? Vertex is the first foolproof traffic source I've seen, and how these simple pre-made videos send thousands of free clicks on autopilot in 60 seconds. So this is kind of a blown up headline, of course, to like, wow, you don't really do it. This is the key feature, guys. If you want to get into doing video like I do, video is great. Even you may look at my channel and you may see some of my videos get 30, 50, 100 views. Those videos are still making money, guys. It's amazing. Just a few views can send someone to go buy a piece of software, or better yet, join your list. And now you can start marketing that person. And even though you've got a few views on your video, you can actually make money from it. So it's really important to be doing video, especially with social media. Everything is going video. So you want to be able to do videos. Now, one of the things that people get, really freaked out about is being on camera, and they get so nervous, and people are like, "Oh, I can't do it." And I understand that. Like, it took me years to be comfortable in front of a camera. The only way you do it is you do it and you get better at it. But what's cool about Vertex is you never actually have to do that. You actually don't even know how to make a. You don't have to know how to make a video. Excuse me. All you need to do is learn how to, or know how to put some text on an image, which you can, and then it's already done because the image are layered and there are already videos in there. And I'm going to get to a demo, guys. But imagine getting thousands of free clicks each day from simple pre-made videos with no video creating or editing. So in a demo, so the demo is kind of lackluster, guys. Mosh I think is just kind of going through the motions. So just watch. Don't really listen because he's not very exciting to watch it. But if you watch what he's doing, it's pretty amazing. Like, boom, these things are already pre-done for you, and they can go viral very, very, very quickly. You can just change out the text. Like, why they're great is because they're already proven to work, right? So no face or voice on camera ever, no pitching or selling, no expensive tools or editing software, no SEO or ranking to worry about, no management or oversight, no creativity or ideal generation needed, because it's all in there. So all you would do is basically add your text or links to the template, and then you would load it up to your TikTok. You put it into your Facebook, put it up to your social medias, post it to YouTube, whatever you want. So let me show you the demo here, and you can see exactly what it is behind the scenes. Now, in the version that he's doing a demo on, it does have the upsell, so there is the done for you section, but he doesn't really go into it, and there's also the blog section. If those are something you'd want to get, I definitely highly recommend it. It's going to be will be the best price. And so let me just show you the the demo video. Sorry guys, I thought I had it queued up. It's not. We were at the lake all day, guys. I'm just like a little bit tired over sun. All right, guys, here we go.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Vertex demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of the software. So after logging into the software, you will see the dashboard look like this, and you can see the left sidebar here are the features of the software. So there are some feature which is only the upgrade only features, as like example you can see that the block feature, the DFI templates, and the agency feature, which will come only with the OTO upgrade. So first you can see the templates section. So you can see a lot of templates here. You can use any of them. So let's select on template, and let's dive into it. So if you select a template, you will see a editor page in another tab. So you can edit the template as like your own choices. So here you can see the tools. You can change the design, you can add videos, you can add image, you can add text, you can add elements, you can add filters, or you can add audio, and you can add layers. So this is how you can edit your template. And after editing the template, you need to download the template and you need to save the template. So after selecting or editing a template, it will find in the My Design section. So let's go to the My Design section. So here you can see the templates. So from here you can delete the template or you can edit the template again. So after that you can see the Social Blast section. So from here you can share your project into the social media accounts. So you can use any of these or you can share all of them. So you can see, so you just need to select your project and you have to share it with any of these social media account. So you can see that there's no project as I didn't create any project yet. So after that you can see the upgrade only features, which is blog, DFI templates, and agency. So we'll talk about this later. And after that you can see the training section. So from here you can find the training videos of the software. After that the upgrades tab, so you can know about the upgrades from here. And after that you can see the support section. So if you have any issue with the software, you can contact us through the support section. You just need to create a ticket or submit a ticket to us, so we'll solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this demo video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
So like I said, he's not very excited on that video, but that's okay. You know what? We look at the tool. We don't worry about the demo, that kind of thing, because a lot of times sometimes the demos aren't that great. Okay, so what exactly are you going to get with this? You get it. I think it's right now it's $20, and then if you scroll off, you'll get a discount. I think it drops down to 15 or something like that. I would definitely grab this. I have a very similar tool which does this, that I bought years ago. I paid way more than $20 for it, just so you guys know, and it basically does the same thing. I will probably pick this up just to play with it a bit, but I've already got a tool that does basically exactly this. And like I said, this is basically for $20. You can't really go wrong. It's just you may not even, like, what's crazy is you may not even use it at first, but you'll be going along, you'll be like, oh, I need to make a GIF, or I need to make, that'd be cool to make a video like this. And you might start getting into TikTok and the sort of the YouTube thing, and you'll be like, what was that software? Oh, I didn't get it. So it's a $20 software. So I highly recommend picking it up. So I'm just looking through the sales page here. It's pretty much a no-brainer. I'm gonna go through here. I'll jump on here so you can see the bonuses on the sales page as well. So let me switch over to the page. So just so we're gonna go through. You get thousands of pre-made marketing videos ready to deploy. So what I didn't like is that it's like a Facebook video. It didn't show you all the templates. It just sort of showed you like the same image on top. But when I looked in, it's got a whole bunch of templates in there for you. It's just like that's the YouTube template, because each social media platform has its own different size that you need to put it up on, right? So you get the whole hundreds of results guaranteed video hosting. So they host your videos for you, which is really cool, scalable traffic. Now, here is, so you get you get the Vertex, you get the one setup wizard, you get the over-the-shoulder tutorial, which is really cool. So you get to watch do it. Those are always, I think personally, that's my favorite kind of training is over the shoulder, where you get to watch someone sort of do the work, because you can pause. And this is how I learn. I'll watch someone, I'll pause it, then I'll go do it, and then I'll watch and then pause and then go do it. So, but let me get down to the bonuses here and the vendor bonuses that he's going to be throwing in. I saw it earlier. It looked pretty good. Okay, money making bonuses. Bonus number one, six-figure store builder. So he actually throws in his Shoppresso, which is really cool. You get a full-blown e-commerce store in there. The Udemy clone plugin. So this is basically a plugin for your WordPress site that makes a course outline for you, which is really cool. Courses are huge. You can sell courses, guys, or give courses away for emails. Like it's a really great thing. His clickbank auto commission, I believe, I'm not sure which one this is. This might be another one of his. What's cool is that when he throws these bonuses in, you actually end up picking up getting other versions of his older software. So it's really cool because he'll sort of bundle it in and show you how to use it, which is really nice. Affiliate booster, turn blog post into affiliate profit machine, a grade. 7 different attention grabbing options for, okay, I don't know what that is. A live chat plugin. These are always great. These are super valuable. I don't know if I have this one. I do have a chatbot plugin, but yes, that does customized bot sequences is probably the one that I have. Pop-up profits is another great one. So you're getting total value is $2,382. So he's saying the regular price is going to be $1,000 monthly. I doubt if it'll go to that price. It might go to a $47 or $97 a month fee, depending on how popular it is. But guys, I would just pick it up for the 19 bucks. Get the discount, get the downsell, and that's what you're going to be getting today. So you get all those bonuses, which is totally worth it. So guys, that is my review, walkthrough, tutorial, bonuses, OTOs. I'll put the OTOs down below. I'll grab a copy of those. So like I said, if you want to get into viral videos without, you're afraid to death of talking or putting your face on camera, this is definitely a tool for you to check out and try. Will it make you a ton of money overnight? I can't say. I don't know what offer you're offering or what you're going to do with it. But like another sort of cool thing about this is because it's such a low cost barrier, that $20 barrier, I would just get it and play with it. Make a bunch of videos, throw them on your Facebook, see what happens, see what you can start doing. It's get your creative juices going. Grab some videos, put some. It's kind of like the one the video I did yesterday about Moolamine. If you haven't picked up Moolamine, grab, like, I'm gonna put it'll be the first video here. Grab Moolamine, guys. Like, that is amazing. I'm just making memes every day. I'll think of something, or I'll Google, like, oh, what's a funny meme, like giraffe meme. I made a giraffe meme. I made like 20 cents off it. Like, it's not making a ton of, well, I've made some money on the referral side of it, but the memes themselves, if you get a meme to go viral, you get like 5 cents for every like that you get in the system. So you get a 20 likes on your meme, it's $1. But this is going to continue to grow, and what he's planning to do with it, he's actually going to take all the memes that are created, and he's going to actually sell it as a product. So you'll be able to profit share with that, which is really cool. So anyway, going back to Vertex, getting off track there. Go grab this and play with it. Get the bonuses. If you grab it and you decide you hate it, you still get my bonuses. They don't come back to me. There's no way for me to get them back, so you get them. So that's basically it. So guys, check it out. This has been my review of Vertex, the demo, the review, the discount, the coupons, the OTOs, and the best bonuses. Are there other bonuses out there? Sure, but you know what? Pick it up here, and remember, when you buy anything through me, if you have any issues, just make sure you contact me. If you need help getting set up, or you have a problem with it, I will definitely jump on Skype with you. I'll jump on Zoom, whatever you want, and we'll just walk through and see if you have any problems. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. Cheers.